Hi everyone. Welcome to the Elevate Mindset. Hope you are well. Take care of yourself. Subscribe and like for motivational video. Life is a way of feeling heavy sometimes. Even when we try our best, the world doesn't always respond the way we hope. The pressure builds slowly, like rain filling a river no one sees coming. But there is one truth we often forget. Struggles don't stay forever. Even pain has an expiration date. There are moments when everything feels stuck. The doors you knock on don't open. The plans you believe in fall apart, and you begin questioning yourself. But life isn't refusing you, it's preparing you. Hard times shape strength in a way comfort never can. So breathe. Stand still for a moment if you need to. The storm around you is not here to destroy you. It's here to clear your path. No season lasts forever. This too shall pass. Most people carry struggles that no one sees. Silent battles behind calm faces. Private tears behind closed doors. We think we're alone because the world rarely asks, "Are you really okay?" But the truth is, millions feel exactly what you feel. You're never as alone as you think. Pain can convince you that you are the problem, that you are weak, broken, or not enough. But if you were weak, you would have given up already. The fact that you're still standing, still breathing, still trying, that's strength. Remember this. You are fighting something your future self will thank you for surviving. The version of you a year from now will look back and whisper, "Thank you for not giving up." Life doesn't always reward effort immediately. Sometimes you pour your heart into something that never blooms. You love people who don't love you back. You try, and nothing changes. But what seems unfair today will make sense one day. The struggle you face is building endurance. It's strengthening parts of you that comfort could never reach. Nothing great ever comes without resistance. Pressure creates diamonds. Your pain today is not wasted. One day you will step into something beautiful and say, "Now I understand why it took so long." Two people can go through the same storm but come out different. The difference isn't the storm, it's perspective. You can see challenges as punishment, or you can see them as training. One mindset breaks you, the other builds you. Growth rarely feels comfortable. It feels like confusion, frustration, pressure, uncertainty. But you are not failing, you are evolving. You're learning what you're capable of. Every night eventually becomes morning. Every winter eventually finds spring. No matter how dark today may feel, light is on the other side. Healing is not a race. Some days you'll take steps forward, and other days you'll stand still. Both are okay. What matters is you don't turn back. Even small progress counts. Getting out of bed. Trying again after a setback. Choosing hope when it would be easier to quit. These moments are victories, even if no one sees them. Growth is quiet. Strength is built in silence. Continue, slowly if you must, but continue. Failure feels like a dead end, but it's often a redirection. The universe sometimes removes things not meant for you. Loss is not always a setback. Sometimes it's a rescue. Instead of asking, "Why me?" try asking, "What is this teaching me?" The shift in questions changes everything. Life stops happening to you and starts happening for you. You are not defined by what went wrong. You are defined by what you rise from. Sometimes you underestimate your own strength because you measure it only by success. But real strength is shown in survival, in resilience, in continuing when quitting feels easier. Look back at everything you've been through. Every heartbreak, every disappointment, every night you cried and still woke up the next morning. You have a history of overcoming. You're still here, and that means you are capable of going further than you think. Storms are temporary. Even the strongest winds eventually calm. Even the darkest clouds eventually break. No pain is permanent. You may not see the end yet, but it's there. Every sunrise proves that darkness never wins. Your story isn't finished. The hardest chapters are often followed by the most beautiful ones. Hold on. Not forever, just a little longer. The sky is clearing. One day, you'll wake up and feel light again. The heaviness in your chest will lift. The questions in your mind will settle. What feels impossible now will become a memory that shaped you. You'll smile without forcing it. Laugh without pretending. Breathe without hurting. Your heart will heal in ways you don't yet understand. The future is not something you're waiting for. It's something you're walking toward. Through every storm, through every doubt, through every difficult day, remember this too shall pass. What hurts today may heal you tomorrow. What breaks you now may build you later. Strength is not about never falling. It's about standing back up when you do. So keep going, keep believing, keep breathing through the hard moments. You are not at your ending, you are in your becoming, and a better chapter is on its way.